Hey everybody, it's Bubs and we're gonna get right into this video. I was gifted some products from Real Techniques, their sculpting set and also their enhanced eye set, which also comes with a brush holder, which I really do like. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I like to use them and if I do like them. I'm first gonna prime my lids with my MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm gonna use the medium shadow brush from the eye set to blend it out. I like that all their brushes are synthetic, so they work great with cream or dry products. Now I'm going to be using the Morphe 15T, your true Selfie Artistry palette that I got sent from Morphe. Thank you so much for sending this out. This palette also comes with a 6-piece eyebrush set, which is very helpful when you're trying to create a look. They're very simple, standard brushes. So I'm first going to go with this neutral brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna place this into my crease. It does have a warmer tone to it, so I'm using a fluffy blending brush to use this as my transitional shade. I find that these eyeshadows work best when you do use a concealer as well. Even though I didn't use it in this video, I do prefer to use the concealer on top and then add the eyeshadows because they blend a lot better that way. Taking this crease brush from Real Techniques, I'm going to go in with the shade Throwback and I'm going to place that into my outer V. This is going to deepen up the outer corner and add dimension to the look. I do find that these shades do appear a tad bit darker than what they look like in the pan. I don't know, it's kind of weird, but I don't mind it because these shades really work great for my skin tone. So I feel that this eyeshadow palette is great for any skin tone if you are super light or super deep. Now I'm going to take this smaller, denser brush to apply my lid shade. I noticed with the shimmer shades that you do not have to apply them wet to get intensity from them. You can use them dry, but using them wet will definitely intensify the look. So like I am doing here, I'm going to wet my brush with my setting spray. You can use water as well, whatever you have on hand. And I'm gonna apply that lid shade in the inner corners and blend that to the outer corners. This is going to intensify the color just a tad bit. Now I'm just taking those two shades, the deeper outer V shade and the lid shade, and try to blend those in together. I'm going to apply this brown shimmery eye pencil into my waterline just to further warm the look up. And I'm going to be applying the same eyeshadows I applied on my top lids to my lower lash line. I'm using that transitional shade first, which is that warm orange brown. And then I'm going in with this deep plum rich purple eyeshadow and apply that on the lower lash line just to deepen the look up a tad bit more. And I'm using an angle brush to apply this because I want this specifically in that area. And I'm kind of going to use this to wing out my lash line just a little bit to add more dimension, just to deepen up the look as well. The eye set from Real Techniques comes with a liner brush. I'm going to add a small wing. From the eye set, this brush is not really my favorite just because it's pretty thick and I like really small brushes to apply liner. It just makes everything a little more precise for me. But if you are a beginner and you're just learning out to do wing liner, this may work well for you. Look, the eyes are done. Very simple and quick. And now apply my foundation. This is from Lancome. Oh, I'm really loving this foundation. I've been wearing it a lot lately and it's deeper than my skin tone. As you can tell, it's a lot deeper, but I make it work. I definitely do. I actually like using it because it is a little deeper and I kind of can finagle it with my neck shade and my face shade. And once I add concealer and brighten up the look, it just works. So I really like the undertone. I like how long it lasts. It's a beautiful foundation. As you can see, I'm blending my concealer out as well. Now I'm going to set the concealer using the face set from Real Techniques. I'm taking this brush and it works perfectly to set underneath my eyes. So far, I'm really impressed with the brushes as well as the eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going to highlight. The brush set does come with a fan brush, and I'm going to use this to highlight my face. And I'm using this highlighter from Lancome. Love this shade, so beautiful on deeper rich skin tone. But the fan brush is a no-go. I do not like fan brushes to apply my highlight. It just does not blend and distribute the product well for me. So the fan brush is a pass for me. Now I'm going to apply my lip shade, which is Minted 5, I believe. Minted number 5 by Minted Cosmetics. They have the best, I say, the best nude shades for brown skin tones. Then I'm going to set my face using this mist from Pixie. And I did forget to highlight my inner corners, so I'm going to take this green eyeshadow and apply it in my inner corners. This is just going to bring the look together and make those inner corners stand out just a tad bit as well. I wanted to add a little glitter, so I'm going to use this glitter liner from Urban Decay. It's in Midnight Cowboy. It's a gold glitter liner, and the look is complete. I really love the way this look came out. Very straightforward with a pop of green. This is definitely a neutral, simple look for me. So if you want to recreate this, definitely tag me, because I would love to see it. So overall, I really love the makeup brushes and also the palette. They worked really well, so you're going to see them in future videos, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.